Going on digital world, my name is Rob, Big Rob, Southwest Blinds and Shutters out here in Scottsdale, Arizona. In our new showroom, been here just a couple of months, north of the 202, right off of Puma Road. So if you guys feel free, come on down, take a look around, but I'll be showing you guys a couple cool concepts about some shutters. I'm a designer here, I've been here 8 years. 7 years I was actually an installer, so I've installed all of our products, our drapes, our blinds, our shutters, everything we offer. I was one of the guys that would go out to get them installed. A couple cool things I want to show you guys. One of the concerns as a designer that I hear, choosing louver sizes for shutters. They want to say, what's the difference between a 3.5, a 4.5? Is there pros and cons? And there are a couple different ones in regards to the sizes you want to choose. When it comes to some pros, louver sizes, this right here is a 3.5-inch louver. As you open it up, as you can see, it's got a good little view in between here. You got some good distance between them. One of the things people love is maybe it'd be a little bit too busy for them. Maybe they want less louvers in the window opening. So what you can do, you can switch over to a 4.5-inch louver. What you can see is as they're opened up, a little less busy. You got a bigger view in between. As much as everybody loves shutters, there is a lot of surface area, so that means maybe a little bit of cleaning, dusting, more than maybe something else. But if you want the 4.5-inch louver, you wouldn't worry as much because you just have less of them. So less louvers means less cleaning. Another cool options when it comes to louver sizes is just the look, the aesthetic look. Some people think it's a little cleaner look. Maybe you're kind of looking outside, you enjoy the outdoors a little more. You have a beautiful little mountain view. Maybe you live in Santan Valley, maybe up north in the hills, and you like to take a look outside. And opening up a 4.5-inch louver, you'll get a better view. You'll see more of the nature. You'll see maybe more of your kids playing in the backyard. Really not much of a con when it comes to that. Maybe just depth. A lot of times when it comes to a 4.5-inch louver, you need a bigger depth for your window sill in order for these louvers to fully rotate and not hit the glass and not hit window framings. 3.5-inch louvers, depending on your depth, sometimes it's a better choice. I mean, there's really no wrong way to choose. It really is just a matter of aesthetics and what's best. And really the only way to find out, send us out to your home so we can take a look at your windows, your home, and get a good feel of what's gonna be best for you. So.